I'm going to show you how to make a version of the drink called a shrub. We're going to start off with some ice, pour that into your glass, and then we're going to add in about 2 ounces of rum. Here we go. That's 1 and 2. Now the traditional shrub is made in a jar and it stews for 3 days, but we're going to make the version where you can have it right away, because I know I don't want to wait 3 days for my cocktails. All right, we've put in the rum, and now we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of sugar, just like so, a splash of water, and we're going to fill this the rest of the way with orange juice. All right. We're going to shake this up. And pour it into a highball glass. We're going to add just a skosh of lemon. If you're wondering what a skosh is, it's about the equivalent to half a squeeze. Stir it up with our stirry straw. We're going to garnish this with a lemon peel, just like that. And there you have it, the quick version of the shrub. Cheers.